Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Code with Santosh. In this chapter, we are going to learn how to use JavaScript in our HTML file. So this video also for the beginners who have just started their career in web development using HTML. So for advanced level developers, they know how to use JavaScript and how to write JavaScript codes. So for beginner level, I am going to discuss about how to start using JavaScript in your HTML file. Okay. So first, there are two ways you can use JavaScript in your web page. The first one is your internal web page. So in our index.html file, we can use JavaScript in this file itself. So let me write a code here, a script. Okay. Whatever JavaScript is required for this page, we can write in this script tag. So always try to use this script tag in the footer section of your page, not in your head section or any other section of your HTML. Okay. Always try to use your JavaScript in bottom section of your page. So once it gets rendered, it tries to show the HTML first and then loads the JavaScript. So if your web page is very heavy, then it will start rendering from top to bottom, and JavaScript load once your all content of your page gets loaded. Okay. So suppose in your JavaScript there are 1,000 lines of codes are there. So it will take some time to load those codes. So your web page is not going to delay in loading. Okay. So that's why we normally use JavaScript in the bottom section of a page. Okay. So here I have written the script tag here. Now all our JavaScript code will go there in script tag. So let me first try to write a button here so that you can see how we can write JavaScript in HTML. So here I will write a function which will be called on click of this button. So I will write this function name as my function. Sorry, my function. Okay, this is the function, and here I will write some text which will get display on the browser. Okay, this is our button, and let me write another tag here. So p, and I will give id. So text, and okay, and now I will write a function here. Function, and the name of the function is my function. Here document dot get element by id, and our id is this text dot in a html. Okay, so now we are doing like, once this button is clicked, this click me button, I am trying to change the content of this paragraph text. Okay, So that's why this id, we have just selected this id, and we are using inner html so that we can change the content to a new content. Okay, let me save this and run on the browser. So here you can see the button and the text is here. Okay, so once I click on this button, this text get replaced by this text. Okay, so see here, you saw that this text now changed. This text we have here, we kept I will get change was button is click, text is no more visible here in your HTML page. Now we have this text. Okay, so this is how you can use internal JavaScript. Okay, you need to use first a script tag so that browser can understand that this is JavaScript code and it handles accordingly. Okay, you can also write this JavaScript code in head as well in any section of the page, but always try to use this in the bottom section of your page. Okay, so this is how you can use the JavaScript into HTML page. But we can also use this JavaScript into a external file. Okay. So let me cut this code and remove this script tag from here. And we have one script.js file. Okay. We have one script.js file. Let me go to script folder, and there is script.js file. So we have pasted that code into JavaScript file itself. Now we also need to do one thing, that we need to call that file here. Okay, so script, and here can use src, and we have the script folder, so I am putting script here. Then the name of our file is script.js. Okay, so this is a script, this is the path of our file, what we put in our src tag, src attributes of a script tag. So in a script there are two attributes, one is type and second is src for external for external JavaScript. Okay, let me save this and click on this browser, and I have refreshed this page. Now we can again see that our first initial text. Okay, so let me click on this. After clicking, this text got changed from existing text to this new one. Okay, so now this is happening from our script.js file, not from our index.html file, because the script is no more here in our HTML file. Okay, we have put our JavaScript code into script.js file. So it is calling from this file into our HTML page. So this way you can use external JavaScript files into your HTML. Suppose you have 10 pages of website, so so you don't need to just copy and paste all the scripts in the bottom section of your HTML page. You can write all the required JavaScript into a single file, and then you can use that file into required web pages. Okay, whatever web pages require those JavaScript blocks, they can use it from this script.js file. This way you can write a good code where you don't need to change multiple places. Okay, you can change whatever is required in your single JavaScript file, and that file gets reflected into all the our HTML pages. Okay, so this is how you can use JavaScript in your HTML pages. You can use that code in your page itself, and you can also use that in a script file itself. Okay, so this is these are the two ways. in which you can use your JavaScript code. That's all for this video. Before moving forward, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. It will give me a huge motivation to create such videos. Thank you for watching. I will again meet you in our next chapter. Bye bye.